Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and if your Twitch isn't working, like streams not loading, chat not appearing, or the app crashing, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First of all, close and reopen the Twitch. And if it didn't help you, go for the settings and check the app permissions. Apps, search for Twitch, and go add some permissions like camera, which you need to allow mic, and notifications. Here you go. But if it didn't solve your problem, you can go to reinstall the app. Like, let's go to Play Store, search Twitch, click on it, uninstall, and install it again. So, here you go, open the Twitch, and even if this option didn't help you, this might be a problem with the Twitch servers. And how we can check on this? Let's go to the Google, let's search the downdetector.com. Let's go, and let's go find Twitch. As you can see, there weren't a big drop downs of the servers, but there was the drop down. So this diagram showing the last 24 hours of server of Twitch working, and as you can see, there's not such a big issue. So if even it didn't help you, the last option you can choose is the restart your device or change networks. Like, check on your Wi-Fi, check on your mobile data, and if they are working, just restart your phone, and this will solve your problem. Thank you so much, and see ya in the next video.